Good morning, Manchester United fans. I am Michael, and this is the MU Hope Channel. Thank you. In today's show, I'm gonna talk about a topic that is doing the rounds on social media and newspaper reports about Joshua Kimmich. Now, let's look at what the newspapers are saying. Six Bayern Munich stars allowed to leave in a massive summer overhaul of the club. Vincent Kompany's side will seek to sell several stars including Kingsley Coman and Joshua Kimmich. Bayern Munich have a new boss in place in the form of Vincent Kompany, and he could be about to oversee a summer overhaul of the German club squad, and with several big names being allowed to leave. Now this report, it comes from Florian Plettenberg, who I understand I think is a German reporter, journalist, football. Who says exclusive at FC Bayern, numerous potential transfers have been prepared, but sales are urgently needed. It has now been decided that 6 players, among others, are allowed to leave the club if suitable offers come in. De Ligt, Kimmich, Groteska, Coleman, Gnabry. Now those are players who are elite. Can you imagine if you can get Groteska? Wow. Groteska. Imagine the Groteska playing alongside Bruno Fernandes. Or, let's say, we're selling Jadon Sancho and Mason Greenwood. That's for certain. So they will need replacing. Why not a Kingsley Coman? Kingsley Coman is a brilliant footballer. He doesn't get the media attention here, but over there in Germany he does. Now, this isn't about the other 5 players. This is about Joshua Kimmich. Joshua Kimmich, who Bayern Munich have offered to Liverpool, Arsenal, Manchester City, Real Madrid, Barcelona. So someone is going to get Joshua Kimmich, and we have to get in there also. If it's true that the links with Manchester United are true, then I am a happy Manchester United fan. But I know as a fan that since December there have been links with Joshua Kimmich coming to Manchester United. It's been there, I've seen them, there's subtle reports, no one's ever picked up on it or talked about it or mentioned it. Joshua Kimmich for me is the number 1 central defensive footballer in the world, no doubt. Before Casemiro came to Manchester United, right, you could only dream of having a Joshua Kimmich and a Casemiro linked with Manchester United. These players are elite. They're the elitist. Also the fact that if Bruno Fernandes does leave, Manchester United need a captain. Now, if Bruno leaves, who's your captain? I don't think it's going to be Marcus Rashford. And with Lindelof leaving, Maguire leaving, McTominay leaving, there's a whole host of senior players leaving. I can't imagine Mason Mount being captain. I think he may be sold also this summer. I'm not sure. There's no reports coming in linking him with other clubs. So, but let's continue. Manchester United handed Major Matthias de Ligt Joshua Kimmich transfer boost. Bayern Munich have reportedly signalled that Manchester United-linked duo Matthias de Ligt and Joshua Kimmich will be allowed to leave the club this summer for a suitable price. Matthias de Ligt, let's talk about him. Matthias de Ligt under Erik ten Hag at Ajax was arguably the best upcoming young central defender in Europe. And we had links there with him, but he chose not to come. But now we are linked with Matthias de Ligt. There's a potential there. A Harry Maguire replacement, Victor Lindelof replacement. I'd take that. I'd take that right now. So, okay, what if we did a total 100% swap? Jadon Sancho, Mason Greenwood, for Matthias de Ligt, Joshua Kimmich, and Leon Goretzka. And we offer them maybe 30 million on top of that. I'd take that if I was buying. I think that's a great deal. But anyway, it's not about what I think, it's about what you think, fans think. Get involved, give me a chat, tell me what you think. Joshua Kimmich to Manchester United. I'd take that. Would you take that? I'd take that. Imagine Joshua Kimmich. Joshua Kimmich, Joe Neves, Kobe Mainu, Mason Greenwood. Not Mason Greenwood. Mason Mount. That's a midfield. Let's say we managed to keep Amrabat. We managed to keep Casemiro. Fucking hell, man. That's a fucking midfield, man. I know in past histories Manchester United fans get excited, and I may be a bit excited right now with the links, but I've been dreaming of Joshua Kimmich for so long. Oh my god. And it's quite possible it's here right now. I have tons and tons and tons of tweets going back years ago on my Twitter account where I'm begging to sign Joshua Kimmich. So I'll leave it to you fans. You decide what do you want. I think Joshua Kimmich is the perfect midfield player / left back, right back player. We can save 15 million on a new left back. We can save 15 million on a new right back, and we can keep Aaron Wan-Bissaka as well. We don't have to sell Aaron Wan-Bissaka if we buy Joshua Kimmich. We just need someone backing him up. At the moment, Aaron Wan-Bissaka has no backup. His backup is Diego Dalot. Diego Dalot doesn't have a backup. His backup is Aaron Wan-Bissaka. We've seen that this season. That's pathetic, Erik ten Hag. I'm sorry. I love you, Eric Ten Hag, but that didn't work. Not for me. But again, this isn't about me. This isn't about Eric Ten Hag. This is about you, the fans. What do you want? I think Joshua Kimmich should come to Manchester United, and fans should get together and wreck internet for this, wreck social media for this. Everyone, bring Joshua Kimmich to Manchester United. Let's get this going today. Thank you and good night.